What up, Gibby? Say hi to YouTube.
What up? What are you doing today, Sterling? Are you deleting the front brakes on a 2001 Tahoe 4-wheel drive?
Yeah, or
Just
any
curious.
GM truck, or any car, period. So here's a little how-to video using this schwaben brake bleeder kit. It makes it so that like one person alone can bleed their own brakes on a car. So this little reservoir, you pour in all the brake fluid here in this like orange cap, which also bleeds out pressure as you pump it up. This little piston, and then you can see like you have pressure into the brake system. So what you do is this reservoir here you fill with brake fluid, like however much you want to put in here, and then this hose gets pressurized and it pressurizes your reservoir, so that way you have brand new brake fluid going in the reservoir. So this reservoir is still pretty damn dirty. And then down here you have a little reservoir bottle that you just hang on something, and then it just goes on the nipple. So we'll crack this open. Crack that open and you get like, you just watch your brake fluid, the dirty brake fluid going in there. This is pretty dark, so when the new fluid finally comes through, this will clear up, and that's like all you got to do. You just open up your little reservoir, all the bubbles come out, all the dirty fluid, and you'll have nothing but clean fluid going into your brakes, into the system. And you just close this off when you're done. Close off the nipple, and then bam, you got like your brakes are bled and done, and it's just that easy. And then when you're done with this, you just release all your pressure. You take off this little reservoir cap that's sealed on there, and you have a different cap for different models. Like I have one for Volkswagen and Audis and Porsches and whatnot, and then this one's a GM cap. It's simple, it makes bleeding brakes on any car like a one-man job, even when your Gibby's here trying to do spray paint this sweet hood. That's it.
If you don't have friends, you can do it.